What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to launch your boat by yourself. Super easy, super reliable and safe. Honestly, your boat won't get messed up. At least I haven't got my boat messed up. So first you want to load everything up on the boat out of the way. Make it quick, simple, and yeah. All right, so once you got everything put on the boat, your rope's pulled. Obviously, I forgot to tell you, you want the longest rope you got on the bow of the boat. You're gonna need that, and that's pretty much it. You only really need one rope to launch it by yourself. So pulling up to the boat ramp, I'm gonna go to this furthest one over here because it has the longest dock. I'm gonna launch it, walk it all the way down, tie it up, and be out of the way so someone else can launch. Obviously today's empty, it's Monday morning, everyone's working. So all right, so once the boat's a little bit in the water, that's when you start unhooking and tying it up. So what you want to do, I give it about that much, and I just wrap her around here a couple times, like that, and then just around here a couple times. Give it a tug, make sure it ain't going nowhere, put the rope right in there so it doesn't get caught up. So we got the rope tied to the bow of the cleat tied up here, so you got enough slack so when it lifts up off the trailer, it'll just slightly go. As you can tell, I parked a little closer to this side, so once it's off I could come grab the side rope and tie her up. So let's do it. Just like that, it's obviously didn't hit anything, everything's good. Untie it. The trick too is to like slowly creep, because if you're gonna come down fast, that boat's gonna shoot off real fast off the trailer, and that's just no good. So when you're coming down, just creep really slowly, and you'll look back and you start to see it just go and let it do its thing. Really that easy. That's how you launch a boat by yourself. Now it's time to go fishing. Like and subscribe, comment if you want to see something new, or don't, I don't care.